In this video, I want to look at how do you add and subtract matrices. It is pretty much like you'd expect. First of all, in order to add or subtract matrices, you need to have two matrices of the same size. If they're not the same size, we are not going to add them. I'm not saying there's not a way to do it. Someone may come up with a really nice way to do it, but for our uses for this class, we really don't have a reason to add matrices that are different sizes. If they're the same size, here's what we do. We will add them corresponding entry by corresponding entry. So I'm going to have the result, which is exactly the same size as what I started with. This is a 2 by 4 matrix. This is a 2 by 4 matrix, so I can add them. In the first row, first column, I'm going to look at the first row, first columns of both of those. I'm going to have 1 plus 0. That's a plus. Maybe 1 plus 0. And then 2 plus 2. That's this one and that one. That's a 2. Wow. Okay. And then 3 plus negative 1. The new pen still hasn't arrived, as you can probably guess here. And 4 plus 5. And 5 plus negative 1. And 6 plus 4. Ooh, that one came out all right. And 7 plus 3. And 8 plus 2. For a grand total of, and I am using equal signs here because this combination of matrices is equal to this one. And it's equal to this. 1, what am I at here? 4, 2, 9, 6, no 6, come on. 5 plus negative 1 is 4, 10, 10, 10. Oh, that was interesting. So there we go. That's how you add them. How do you subtract them? Well, in a very similar way. You're just going to subtract corresponding entries. So 1 minus 0, 2 minus 2, 3 minus negative 1, 4 minus 5. Where are we here now? Down that one. 5 minus negative 1, 6 minus 4, 7 minus 3, 8 minus 2. And that's equal to, what's that? 1, 0, 4, negative 1, 1, 2, that's a minus sign. That must be 4, 6. So that's how you add and subtract matrices. I'm going to throw one more bit of arithmetic in here too while we're at it. We also have the notion of being able to multiply a matrix times a scalar. So if I had something like a scalar, a real number, so if I had something like 2 times the matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then what I do is I multiply the 2 by everything here. So this is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Right? Now this isn't multiplying two matrices together, this is multiplying as a real number times the matrix. You just multiply it in every spot. Okay. In the next video, I'm going to look at how do you multiply matrices.